Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the INIU BI-B64 power bank, which is a power bank that has a capacity of 27,000 mAh. So we're going to start first at looking at the box, see what information we can gather from it, and then we're going to have a look at what we can find inside. So first off, on the front of the box, obviously we can see the image of the power bank that we're going to find inside. Then we have like a tagline here, the INIU logo, and then here the power bank name and power bank capacity over here, and the fact that it can charge up to 140 watts using power delivery. On the side of the box there's not much information to go by, and also not on the back of the box, just the fact that it comes with a 3-year warranty. So without further ado, let's have a look in the box. So first off, we have the carrying pouch here that you can use for putting the power bank inside while you're traveling, so you protect it from scratches. And then we have a welcome guide with information about using the power bank in multiple languages, specifications. Alright. And then we have a quick start guide. So what you need to do in order to start using the power bank for the first time. So as you can see, it comes with a LED screen that has various functions, and using this guide you can figure out exactly what the numbers mean on the LED screen. And then this some sort of a business card from the INIU company. And here we have a charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, which seems a little bit longer than the usual charging cables that power banks come with, which is always a bonus. And here we have the power bank itself, so let's get it out of the wrapper and have a closer look at it. So on the front of the power bank we have this very large LED screen right here. We have the INIU logo here, and then we have a bit of text here, fast charge power bank designed by INIU on this other corner. On the side here we have the power button, and if we were to press it, we see that the LED screen shows up the exact amount of power that the power bank currently has. And then over at this side we have the ports. So this power bank comes with 3 ports, 2 USB Type-C and 1 USB Type-A, and we can see that the input and output port it can deliver up to 140 watts of power, which is pretty huge. This means you can definitely charge laptops with it, and hence you can see here this little laptop icon. This is a very powerful power bank. Most other power banks out there, even fast charging ones, can deliver up to 60, 80, 100 watts of power, but it's quite rare to see some power bank deliver up to 140 watts of power. So kudos to INIU for supplying so much power in a relatively small power bank. And here we can see that the other USB Type-C delivers up to 45 watts of power, and it's an output only, where this one is also input, so you're going to be using this port to charge the power bank itself as well. And then we have the USB Type-A port with a standard of 18 watts of power, which is fast enough to fast charge a regular smartphone. And then looking at the back side of the power bank, we can see some further information about the capacity, output, and the production details of the power bank. Now, regarding its size, this is a power bank that is rather heavy and bulky, which is obvious when you compare it to an iPhone if you put them side by side. However, this is to be expected from a power bank this size. So as a reminder, this is a power bank that has 27 milliamp hour, which is enough to keep you charged for days at a time, not to mention the fact that it can charge laptops. And also, very important is the fact that the 27 milliamp hour is the equivalent of 99.9 watt hour capacity, which is at the maximum limit of batteries that can be taken on planes without a prior airline approval. So this is a power bank that you can take on a plane without having to declare it, and it's basically the maximum capacity that you're allowed to do so. Another important aspect about the BI-B64 power bank that I want to showcase is its recharging time that we can also see here in the user manual. So if you're using a charge adapter that can deliver up to 100 watts of power, you can charge this power bank in up to 1.8 hours, which is blazing fast. I mean, I cannot really think of other power banks at this capacity that can charge so fast. Obviously, if your charging adapter cannot deliver 100 watts of power and it's somewhat slower, also the charging time increases accordingly. But even with like 36 watts power charging adapter, you can still get it fully charged in 4.8 hours, which is quite impressive given again the capacity of this power bank. Another thing that I noticed just in a few minutes of handling the power bank is that the surface is rather prone to fingerprints, so it's quite easy to get a lot of marks on it. So that's something you might want to consider if that's important for you. However, if you're mostly looking for what this power bank can do in terms of capacity, in terms of charging power and so on, that shouldn't be an issue. But for some people it's quite important to mention. And now let's do a test and see if it will charge my Apple MacBook Air M1 laptop. And for that I'm gonna use the charging cable that came with the power bank in the box. And if we can hear the charging sound, it means that it charges, and then we can see it here on the display as well. So the power bank is successfully charging the laptop, and we can see here there are basically on the LCD screen there are two modes, which is the simple mode and the pro mode. Now we are seeing the pro mode, and if you long press the power button, you enter the simple mode, and basically it just shows how much of the battery capacity the power bank still has, and the fact that it's outputting power. And if you long press for 5 seconds, you go back into the pro mode, and then you see some further details about the charging time, like the number of watts, how many hours there are left remaining, and so on. And to conclude, I think that this is a power bank for power users. So if you're somebody looking to get a power bank to charge your smartphone over the day, or if you want something highly light, highly portable, then maybe this is not the best choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a power bank that can keep you charged for days at a time, if you want to charge your laptop, if you want to charge your gaming laptop that requires a lot of power, your gaming console, maybe charge some drones, camera gear while you're outdoors, and things like that, then this is definitely one of the best choices you can make, especially given the large output power that this power bank comes with. That's a really amazing value delivered by INIU right here. So that was my unboxing and review for today. Thank you for joining in, and see you next time. Bye bye.